if you really want to go to the very top, the first row and first column, there is another simple shortcut, Control Home. So if you just press Control Home, you will reach the first row and first column, and here you can see we are in cell A1, the first row and the first column. So Control Home is always the fastest way to go to the top. Similarly, Control End will take you to the end of the data, provided you are in the continuous portion of the data. So let's say if I come in here and I press Control End, it takes you to the last row and last column of data. So Control Home takes you to home, and Control End will take you to the last row and last column of data. So if you want to move quickly, you can simply press Control Home to reach the top and Control End to reach the last row and last column of the data. Now you give it a try. Go to the navigation sheet and press Control Home. See that the cursor goes to the cell A1. Now press Control End and you can see that it reaches the cell G19. Well, there must have been something here, that's why we reached until here. So this is a quick way to see all the data. Here we don't have so much data.